Hey guys, this is Lisa Tedder with Tedder Bear Stamping, and today I'm going to show you a really cool technique that I had been mourning about the loss of our two-way glue pen so that I could get Dazzling Diamonds on projects. And I just figured out a way to do it that's fast and easy and something that we sell, so it just makes it a lot more sense. So I'm using the Beautiful Day stamp set and the Tranquil Textures cards DSP today that is new in the new catalog. And if you need a new catalog coming at the beginning of June, if you could let me know, just let me know and I'll mail you a copy of our catalog absolutely free. So let's get started. So first off, I am going to just take a piece of our Shimmer White, and I'm going to stamp the Beautiful Day. Alright, so I'm going to stamp it in black and then emboss it with the clear embossing powder because I like to be able to have that be shiny. And if you do it right away, then it makes it to where it works. And you don't have to use this whole sheet, but I'm just doing it because I'm going to be cutting it out. Alright, and my clear. And it's almost out, but it should be enough when I pour it in. Didn't get this corner. Okay, I'm going to heat set it and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to color it with 3 of our Stampin' Blends, excuse me. I wanted to say blender pen and that's wrong. Alright, so I'm going to be using the light pumpkin pie, the light calypso coral, and the dark pumpkin pie. Okay, so now I have my butterfly cut out. I'm going to come in with our Sizzix permanent adhesive sheets, and I've already had these cut for a different project, so I'm just going to use this, but I'm going to just do the wings. So I'm just going to lay him on here and make sure I press it really well, and then I'm going to bring it off, and that's going to make the adhesive stick. And then I'm going to do it onto the other side. And you can always add more if you see pieces that didn't quite get it all. Well, that wasn't good. Just stuck it down to my paper. Alright. Now I see, because I can see that there's parts that I missed, so I'm going to come back in and put it back on. And you don't want it to be around the antenna because it will get goopy. So you just want to make sure it fits everything, and then you're going to put it, use a little holder here and bring in your Dazzling Diamonds. And just press them down into the Dazzling Diamonds. And once it's fully covered with the diamonds, then you don't have to worry about it being sticky anymore, because it just sticks really nice. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now, and I probably could have done this ahead of time before I put this on, but it doesn't really matter because it's really sticking on there well. I'm just going to make my wings have a little bit of life. And if you can tell, it barely comes off, so it is a really nice way of getting your Dazzling Diamonds to stick. Okay, so then I'm going to put, whoop, I have a little bit on my nail. All right, I'm going to put some dimensionals right there in the middle. And I want a small one for below that. There. Okay, so I'm going to set him aside for now. Then I'm going to come in with my black piece that is 3 3/4 by 5. And then my 3 pieces of my designer paper. And these are 1.5 inches by 5. And I want them to be the same length. You might have to trim it just a little bit when you're done, but it should fit the other way, and then it doesn't matter. And I always do my outside edges first. Okay, so then I'm going to bring in the new ribbon, this polka dot beautiful ribbon, and that's going to be available in the new catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it come down a little bit further than I did the first card because I think it would look better. And I'm just going to put adhesive just in the middle and cut it as I go here, and just push it down in the middle. And I want to do that 3 times. Now we did this at the on stage, and I really liked the way it looked. All right, so now that's done. Then we're going to bring this in and take off the dimensionals. Dimensional backs. And I'm going to stick him right there. And see how he looks like he's alive? He's all pushed up. Okay, and then I come in with a piece of the Shimmer White and the stamp set from the Beautiful Day. And I'm going to do it with Calypso Coral because that's one of the colors that we're using. And I'm only going to do one side, like to one side. I cut this way big, but it is a 1/2 inch. But I wanted to make sure that I had plenty of room to put a little flag. Okay. Let me set this real quick, because I want to make this come down right there and then make this come up. Let's see, no, this way. Whoop, wrong way. All right, so I'm trying to make it be wavy. I like this coming up better. All right. Woo! All right, so now I have it really wavy, and I'm going to go ahead and put some dimensionals in the part that's going up so that it will stay going up, and I'm going to double it so that it's pretty tall. Take off the dimensionals, put the glue dot on this, And a glue dot here. Whoop, I missed the glue dot. Okay, so then I'm coming in with these really pretty Share What You Love Artisan pearls, and they just match this perfectly. So I'm going to put a few around. And one really light one because I think it's so pretty. And a dark one on the banner. Okay, then it gets put onto a piece of the Calypso Coral 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock. So it's a simple card, but boy is that pretty. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my next class or idea, technique, whatever you want to call it. And there you have it. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, I will see you next time. Thanks.